To create a wallet using Trust Wallet, start by downloading and installing the Trust Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a Wallet. You will be presented with the option to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Choose Create a New Wallet and then agree to the terms of service. You will be asked to create a password and confirm it. This password is used to protect your wallet, so make sure it is strong and unique. After setting your password, you will see a screen displaying your recovery phrase. This phrase is used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. So make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access your funds. Once you have saved your recovery phrase, you will be asked to confirm it by typing it in. This is a security measure to ensure you have written it down correctly. After confirming your recovery phrase, your wallet will be created and you will be taken to the main screen of the app. On the main screen, you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies and your wallet balance. You can use the app to send, receive, and store various cryptocurrencies. To receive cryptocurrency, click on the Receive button and share your wallet address with the sender. To send cryptocurrency, click on the Send button and enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. It is essential to keep your wallet and recovery phrase safe, as losing access to them can result in the loss of your funds. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication and keep your app and device up to date to protect your wallet from potential security threats. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can create a secure and reliable wallet using Trust Wallet to manage your cryptocurrencies.